Hello. In this demonstration, we are going to show you how to configure and deploy a VPN using the Check Point SmartConsole. This is a straightforward process that can be broken down into 5 steps. Step 1, select the gateway that you want to participate in the VPN. Enable the IPsec VPN blade. Step 2, define the VPN community. Go to your security policies, go to your access tools down in the lower left-hand corner on VPN communities, and add in a new star or mesh community. Once the community has been created, you then import your gateways, define your encryption and any additional settings, publish your changes, then create a policy, and then install that policy onto the gateway. And there you have a VPN gateway using the Check Point SmartConsole. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next demonstration.